Bioesque mold-resistant coating aerosol is a powerful spray coating that seals surfaces to stop mold and mildew from coming back. It's perfect for restoration jobs that need long-term protection. Before you use the aerosol can, there are a few important steps to follow. Start by checking the surface. It must be clean and dry. Remove all dust, dirt, grease, wax, soap, loose paint, and old glue. If there's mold or mildew stains, clean it first using Bioesque's botanical disinfectant or mold and mildew stain remover. Grease can be removed using our heavy-duty cleaner and degreaser. Fix any holes or cracks using a patching compound. This product works well on new construction materials. Now, let's talk safety. Wear safety goggles with side shields. Use chemical goggles or a face shield too. Wear gloves that resist chemicals and check often to make sure they still protect. Don't dress to impress, dress to protect. And wear proper footwear. If there's a risk of breathing in fumes or spray, wear a respirator with organic vapor cartridges and a dust mist filter. Always follow OSHA safety standards. Remember, safety first. This coating can go right on surfaces like drywall, concrete, ceiling tile. Do not apply if it's under 50 degrees Fahrenheit or if the air is too damp. Make sure there's good airflow while you work. Ventilation systems or professional air movers can help here. Spread the coating evenly. For porous surfaces, 2 coats may be needed. It dries to the touch in just 30 minutes and can be recoated in 1 hour. Wait 60 minutes before painting over with latex or oil-based paint. For best results, add a top coat within 72 hours. Full strength is reached in 7 days. After use, store the product right. Keep it in a cool, dry place. Never let it freeze. And remember, the label is the law. Always follow the instructions exactly as they are written on the label and SDS sheets, which you can download from our website. With the right prep, the right tools, and the right safety steps, Bioesque's mold-resistant coating aerosol helps you protect any space, keeping them safe for the future.